Hi, and welcome to Adells. Tonight, we're winding down together in the comfort of home. If you enjoy calm, gentle guides, go ahead and subscribe so you can join me again anytime you need a peaceful moment. The room is softly lit, maybe with a warm lamp or a candle nearby. You might be curled up in your favorite chair or sitting at the edge of your bed with a cozy blanket wrapped around you. This is your quiet space. Make it feel safe and comfortable. Before we begin, gather what you need: your manual pump, a clean container, and perhaps a glass of water or tea nearby. Knowing you have everything within reach will let you stay in this relaxing flow without having to get up. Sit with your back supported and feet resting comfortably on the floor or bed. Place a pillow behind you or under your arm if it helps. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Hold your pump gently, making sure your grip feels natural. Begin with slow, steady squeezes, letting your body set the rhythm. Think of each squeeze as a gentle wave, moving at a calm, even pace. You can close your eyes if you like, focusing on the sound of your breathing or the faint hum of your home in the background. If a thought comes into your mind, let it pass and bring your focus back to the steady motion. If your hand starts to feel tired, pause for a short break. Stretch your fingers, roll your wrist, and adjust your position if needed. There's no rush. Your comfort comes first. First, set the mood in your space. Dim the lights, close the curtains, or play soft background music. Creating a warm, cozy atmosphere can help your body relax naturally. Always have water nearby. Staying hydrated supports your comfort and overall flow. Small sips between short pauses can make a big difference. Wear something loose and comfortable, nothing that presses or distracts. Soft fabrics help you stay focused on the process instead of your clothing. Thanks for spending this peaceful time with me on Adells. If you found this calming, please like and subscribe.